Like my travel and EDC packing, I keep things pretty minimal when it comes to what's in my tennis bag. So here's what I'm wearing and what I'm carrying with me when I'm headed to the court. No sponsors, no affiliate links, just some tennis essentials in this video. Arguably, the most important item in my bag is going to be my racket. And the main one I'm using right now is the Dunlop FX500. And there are two reasons I really like this racket. Effortless power on my ground strokes, and really nice control on my volleys. It's a 100 head size, and I usually string this up with a full bed of poly at a tension of around 50. When I feel like switching things up, I'll go with my backup racket, which is the E-Zone 98 Lite from Yonex. And this racket is great for my serve and forehand because I can really whip the ball down the line on the ad side during a doubles match due to its lighter frame weight. It also has a smaller head size of 98, so I'll usually string this with poly at 48. It plays a lot differently than my main racket, which is a good thing because I'll switch to this one when I'm having a bad day on the court and I just need to change things up a little bit. Another really important item is going to be my shoes, and I recently picked up this pair, the 996 from New Balance. And I used to wear K-Swiss, but recently I made the switch over to New Balance because I still wanted a wide shoe, but one with a little bit more style. And I really love the yellow colorway on these and the lateral support that they offer. Next is going to be my apparel. And while I do have some shirts and shorts from the big guys like Nike and Adidas, I usually try to support some of the more novel European brands. And some of my favorite are the French brand Le Coq Sportif. I always wear their shorts when I'm playing tennis because they're really well made and durable. I also like the French brand Celio, who make the socks I'm wearing, along with this extra shirt that I brought in my bag, and this one's a really cool zipper polo from their Benoit pair line. And then lastly, the Italian brand LS. I always pick up a few of their hats at TK Maxx when I'm visiting family in Europe. So now for all of those miscellaneous items that I throw in the bag, and that starts with some extra grip and some dampeners, along with a towel, various sleeves and braces for my weak joints, a can of tennis balls, and a water bottle. So lastly, let's look at the bag that I'm currently using as my go-to tennis bag, and it's the Aer Duffel Pack 3. And I've featured this one in a couple past videos, so if you do want a more in-depth full review of this bag, be sure to check out the link in the description. But this bag works perfectly as a tennis bag because it's long, so it does fit two rackets really nicely in that laptop sleeve in the back. There's a separate shoe compartment on the bottom of the bag, so your dirty shoes don't have to touch everything else. And the backpack opens like a duffel bag, which is just so convenient when you're looking for something inside of that main compartment. So what do you think of my current tennis setup? Let me know in the comments below.
We'll restock here.
I'm glad I got that on video. Nice.
Doesn't bounce very much, so you just
Nice. There it is.
Yeah, otherwise trying to remember all these little chases. Alright. Correct, so it's still 15 all, and we have hazard chase the door. This goes into store until we swap that. So we don't do anything with this yet.